Welcome to the Kiosk Office Suite by Advanced Kiosks. An all-in-one solution designed to streamline government building operations and enhance public service delivery. In this demonstration, we'll be showcasing the system on our document kiosk, one of our most widely used and versatile models. Kiosk presence detection and camera. As the user approaches, the kiosk's built-in camera detects their presence and automatically activates the interface. A welcome video begins playing, greeting the visitor and offering a brief introduction with clear instructions to get started. All of these features, including welcome messaging, video timing, and detection sensitivity, are configured during onboarding, ensuring a tailored experience for each lobby. Let's see it in action.
Hello and welcome to the Springfield Town Hall. You can use this kiosk to get a lot done all on your own. Tap Make a Payment for things like property taxes or permit fees. Tap License applications to apply for marriage, dog, and other licenses. Or tap Scan Documents to scan your ID or supporting documents, and so on. For your privacy, this kiosk uses FaceLock session security to pause your session if you step away, protecting your personal and payment information. If you need assistance, you can call the front desk with this button. Simply tap a button to get started.
FaceLock Session Security. In this segment, we'll highlight several powerful Zamock features including FaceLock, Voice over IP, instructional pop-ups, and the eForms assistant, all designed to help users complete and submit complex forms electronically in a clean, data-accessible PDF format. Here, the user decides to submit a dog license application. FaceLock activates instantly to protect their privacy and secure the session. Once verified, the system continuously monitors presence using the kiosk's built-in camera. If the user turns away, a warning appears and a countdown begins. Should they return in time, the session resumes seamlessly, with all data intact. If not, the system automatically clears the session and resets to the home screen. All FaceLock behaviors are fully customizable through the Zamock dashboard, and configurations are reviewed during the customer onboarding process. eForms Assistant. A PDF form, provided by the customer, is set up for display on the kiosk by the onboarding team. As the user moves through the form, the eForms Assistant transforms complex PDF documents into easy-to-follow questions and instructions, simplifying the completion process. Key features include a progress bar, required fields, real-time validations, helpful placeholders, and a digital signature field. Once completed, the form is securely emailed to the appropriate department with structured data and a professionally formatted PDF attached with no messy handwriting for staff to decipher. Built-in help via VOIP. If users need help at any point during their kiosk session, even in the middle of a form, assistance is just a phone call away. The built-in handset can be configured to dial specific government offices or help desks. In this example, the user has a question about submitting a document. With a single tap, they're connected to an office administrator who walks them through the process. All VoIP routing and directory options are fully customizable in the Zamock dashboard. Document scanning and printing. While Advanced Kiosks offers many scanner options, the document kiosk features a secure, built-in flatbed scanner, ideal for handling sensitive documents in a government office setting. It's capable of scanning IDs, forms, supporting documentation, and records in various formats. In this example, the user selects Scan Documents. Instructional pop-up videos guide the user along the way, with each step fully customizable within the Zamock dashboard. Users can choose email recipients, send documents to specific administration departments, and even print a hard copy for hand delivery if needed. Secure payment processing and third-party applications. The kiosk can load any of your third-party applications. Here, we see a user paying a parking ticket using a third-party payment processor with a credit card. Again, FaceLock activates to protect the session. After entering fine details, the user proceeds to the card reader. Payment fields are auto-populated for convenience. Once the payment is submitted, a receipt prints instantly, confirming the transaction. Kiosk access is whitelisted, allowing access to approved websites only, which are easily managed by administrators in the ZAMOC dashboard settings. If users attempt to navigate outside of approved sites, the kiosk displays a security warning and blocks access, protecting both the session and the network. ZAMOC offers full user interface customization to meet the specific needs of any town hall or government office. All interface elements, buttons, and workflows are controlled via the ZAMOC homepage builder, allowing kiosk administrators to tailor every aspect of the user experience. For example, users can view the event calendar, scan and submit documents, access standard forms, pay fines, search town records, view and print documents, and more. Beyond setup, every deployment is supported by our onboarding and implementation process. Each customer is paired with a dedicated onboarding specialist who guides configuration, testing, and staff training, ensuring your kiosk is ready to deliver results from day one. Remote management, notifications, and reporting. Kiosks can be managed remotely for software updates, usage monitoring, real-time troubleshooting, and reporting on service usage and system health. Set up notifications to alert staff in case of errors or unexpected downtime, eliminating the need for on-site check-ins. Weekly reports provide valuable insight into what services are most in demand and how the system is performing. Multilingual support. Users can easily switch between languages, ensuring accessibility and inclusivity for all community members. Advanced Kiosks' flexible platform ensures seamless integration with existing government office systems, delivering a secure, efficient, and user-friendly self-service experience. Visit our website to download the government brochure and the Prince William County case study. From there, you can view other case studies and white papers and explore which kiosk models and software fit your requirements. When you're ready, request a live demo or get a budgetary quote through our GSA contract.